Today, we're venturing into the heart of Cambodia to explore Angkor Wat, the largest religious monument in the world. This iconic temple complex is a masterpiece of Khmer architecture and a symbol of Cambodia. Let's uncover the secrets and splendors of this ancient wonder. Angkor Wat was built in the early 12th century by King Suryavarman II, originally as a Hindu temple dedicated to the god Vishnu. It later transformed into a Buddhist temple in the 14th century, which it remains to this day. Covering an area of over 162 hectares, or 402 acres, Angkor Wat is the centerpiece of the ancient city of Angkor, which was the capital of the Khmer Empire. The temple's construction is a testament to the architectural and engineering prowess of the Khmer civilization. It features a central quincunx of towers symbolizing Mount Meru, the mythical center of the universe in Hindu and Buddhist cosmology. The central tower of Angkor Wat, standing at 65 meters, 213 feet, is one of its most striking features. This tower, along with four others, forms the iconic silhouette of the temple, representing the 5 peaks of Mount Meru. The extensive bas-reliefs that adorn the walls of Angkor Wat are another highlight. These intricate carvings depict scenes from Hindu epics like the Ramayana and the Mahabharata, as well as historical events. The churning of the Ocean of Milk is one of the most famous reliefs, showcasing the cosmic battle between gods and demons. Don't miss the grand entrance causeway, lined with statues of gods and demons. It leads to the Majestic main gate, which offers a stunning view of the temple complex. The reflection of Angkor Wat in the surrounding moat during sunrise is a breathtaking sight. The temple's silhouette against the dawn sky is a moment not to be missed. Planning a visit? The best months to explore Angkor Wat are from November to February, during the cool and dry season. This period offers pleasant weather, ideal for exploring the extensive temple grounds. Entrance fees are $37 or 34 euros for a one-day pass, $62 or 57 euros for a 3-day pass, and $72 or 66 euros for a 7-day pass. Wear comfortable walking shoes and lightweight clothing, as the climate can be hot and humid. It's also recommended to bring sunscreen, a hat, and plenty of water. Hiring a local guide can greatly enhance your experience with detailed insights into the temple's history and significance. While in the Angkor Archaeological Park, be sure to visit the Bayon Temple, known for its 54 towers adorned with over 200 serene and smiling stone faces. This temple, located in the ancient city of Angkor Thom, offers a fascinating glimpse into Khmer art and architecture. Another must-see is Ta Prohm, famous for the giant trees and roots that have overgrown the ruins, creating a unique and mysterious atmosphere. This temple is also known as the Tomb Raider Temple, after its appearance in the movie. Also, explore Banti Sray, a smaller but exquisitely detailed temple dedicated to the Hindu god Shiva. Its intricate carvings and pink sandstone make it a true gem. That's all for today's exploration of Angkor Wat. From its awe-inspiring architecture to its rich history, it's truly a must-visit destination. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing travel adventures. See you next time.